Suzuki GS1000G for sale on eBay. There's no paperwork with the bike other than the HPI check certificate I've just done, and this shows the bike has got no finance or accidents in its history. It also shows that it was registered in 1998 for the first time in the UK and was probably an imported bike from 1980. There's a few things to show you around the bike. What is working on the bike is the with the electrical side of things. The head and the dip beam is working, the flash works, the indicator dash light works, and the left side indicators light up although they don't flash. That's probably because the battery is the wrong one. It's got a small battery in there which has got some charge in it, and it's just about enough to start the engine, but it's not the right battery for it. Also, the rear right indicator bulb and indicator is not there, so obviously it won't flash on that side either. When you start up the bike, the first thing you notice is one of the exhaust headers has got a leak, and you can hear a puffing out of one of those, so it's going to need an exhaust ring there. Probably change them all while you're at it, I guess, if you're going to do that. It doesn't run on 4 cylinders easily. I think the bike has been left sitting for quite a long time. It does sometimes sort of run on 4 and that, but it just wants sorting out. There was a slightly oily smell to the bike when it's running. Now there's no smoke coming out the back that's obvious, but nevertheless it does smell a bit oily, so I suspect perhaps maybe the piston rings have got stuck through sitting around a long time, so it'll need sort of running to sort of free that off at a minimum. But you can hear basically that the cam chain sounds tight, the tensioner sounds tight, the crank sounds good. I would think the engine was basically kind of sound. Also, the rear brake is missing off the bike, the caliper is missing, so you're going to need to get one of those. The horn doesn't work, and the seat base is worn out. When you lift up the seat, it's kind of, you can see that it's rusted severely under there. So there we go, there's a bike there to restore. It's basically all there, so there we go. Good luck with the bidding.